Happy Wednesday, my ladies and my gents, which means it's time for another exciting episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday? It's hosted by our buddy Joe, their Big Sky Model Workshop. The whole idea is stash ads. What you got? What did you find? You found a really good deal at a local hobby shop. You found a great, made a killing at a swap meet and bought 50 kits and a whole bunch of stuff. Whatever. You bought a paintbrush 2 months ago. I did this last week when I was showing this little tiny spotter brush that I found. I really like it. I want to go get some more next time I'm in town. But you find something like this, let us know about it. You find an online vendor that's got some really cool stuff and a good price and good customer service, let us know about it, especially the little guys. Case in point, 3D Concepts Ltd.com up in Edmonton, Alberta, with truck parts. Go check them out. I love them. It's just they're incredible. They got some incredible stuff if you like doing trucks, and just go check them out. Stuff like this. VCGResins.com. Big supporter of the hobby, big supporter of my channel, big supporter also of some of the others that are out there, including Big Sky Model Workshop. But to that end, I went and I got some stuff last week. Got it, Saturday. And this thing came in a box that was, let me kind of zoom out, it was about like this wide, about like this, and it was a good 8 or 9 inches high, and it had 2 of these in it. There's all this paper all around it. There was bubble wrap around the boxes. The stuff inside was all inside bubble wrap, and all of it had what I have in this one box, and it doesn't break. This is why even at $9 shipping from VCG Resins is worth the money for it. $6, it's an incredible deal. $9, it's still incredible. You're not, unless they run over the box with a truck, you're not going to get damaged stuff from Josh. And if you do, send a nice email and talk to Josh about it. Don't get all, yeah. But if you send a nice email and say, hey, I got a problem. This didn't work. This came broken. He'll work with you to see what is a good resolution for it. So, great customer service. And if you use promo code Jester10 at checkout, you save 10% on your order. So, anyway, what we got? I got some stuff here. Some of it you've seen, some of it but I got a couple of packages. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit of toolboxes. I got one that's closed, one that is open, and it comes with some tools. And yeah, and so you can put all that together and paint up the tools. I got 2 sets of those. I got, let's see, yeah, I got another one of these, 327, 350 Weber Cross Cam engines, small block Chevy. I've got a couple of sets of the Cross Ram intakes, but I've got the whole engine this time with the Turbo Hydromatic 400 to go behind it. I got another one of these. I should say I got one, the Model A with the big conversion for the bit of a hot rod, and it even comes with some, let's see if I can see them easily. Yeah, it comes with 2 different types of exhaust manifolds that I thought were pretty cool. One, let's see, there we go. You can see there's 2 here, and it comes out into 2 pipes. This one is a 4-pipe header that comes into one with a collector, and it's just a nice big, I'm going to put this in a Model A. The one that you can do is the hot rod pickup, the AMT kit. What is it, the 2728, I think, where you can put it in as a hot rod pickup or a totally stock pickup, or something like this, or with the Woody. And I'm going to do a pickup with this and with a set of these wheels and tires. And so that's going to go on them, including, and I just realized, it's got fatter wheels in the back and skinnier ones for the front. I just now noticed that. Dummy me. So, but anyway, those are going to go on that. And I went ahead. These are the Ford 8-lug Steelies Michelin M&S. These are for that Ford F-250 pickup, the one that's lifted that Mobius came out with not long ago, and which everybody says the tires on that suck. Put them in your box for something else. They're too small for the truck, and so yeah, Josh and Scale Auto Garage teamed up together and came up with a set. They are direct replacement for the stock wheels. They basically fit on the Mobius kit. You can use them on other kits, and where you might need to do some adaptation to either the kit or the wheels. But it comes with 4 wheels and a spare. So yeah. Anyway, that's what I got this time. Like I said, VCGResins.com. Great supplier. Great stuff. Cool stuff. Be sure and go check them out. Sign up for the newsletter on the homepage. Go shopping. Use the notify me function. And go, when you get to the checkout, use promo code Jester10. Save 10% on your order. Shipping is $9. The promo code does not include shipping. But if you get over $100, including the promo code, it's free shipping. So, and this was with the promo code. Everything here was like about $93. So it's real easy. If you really want to get a bunch of stuff and you want to maximize your, some of the money, go ahead and order $100 worth. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm still working on those trailers and getting things like that done up. So I'm going to get out of here and probably wait till maybe tomorrow, Thursday, to start working on that. Let that clear on the Mustang really finish up. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here, get out of your hair, and keep this below 10 minutes. I'm at 8 minutes right now. Yay! Applause. BTEX signing out.